Alright, so today we're going to be trying out this Huda Beauty. Yeah, like Huda Beauty. Looks like this. It's a glittering eyeshadow to seal thingy. Basically, it's like an eyeshadow stamp, so I'm just going to go ahead and open it up. I already did open it up, and the first thing that it did, this like fell apart. Like this does not attach very well, so I just shoved it in there and hope it stays on. So it's like a pump, like it has like a little pump thing right here. I really don't know the purpose of that. I'm pretty sure that's not supposed to do anything. It's just supposed to look cute because, I mean, I don't know what that would do. So it looks like this, and basically you just kind of like put your eyeshadow on it or your concealer to make a cut crease or eyeshadow pattern, and you place it onto your eye. Now this, I do believe, is going to be way too big for my eyes, but I'm just going to go ahead and like do it anyway so you guys can see. So I'm just holding the mirror up. Here's like the shape of it. So you just like put it on your eye like that. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Alright, so of course I already did my eyeshadow, just like basically just did the crease area of my eyeshadow and my makeup on my face. So another thing we're going to be trying out is this eyeliner stamp. I got this on Wish for $1, and forgot to tell you guys, I got this on Amazon for like $11. I don't know why I paid $11 for it. I am not someone who would, I wouldn't even pay $11 for a shirt, so I don't know why I did that. But this eyeliner stamp looks like this. I did get 2 sizes, but I feel like this one would be better because the other one I got is really thick. So this one's smaller, and actually I gave this one to my mom and she's been loving it, so see how it works for me. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and move on to the eyeshadow stamp. I got the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette just because these are very like pigmented glitters and stuff, so I kind of want to use these instead. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start placing it onto this little thingamajigger, and I'm taking a flat brush. What I'm going to do first is, oh, this is going to be difficult. I'm going to take this gold color, even though I really don't want to mess up this gold color because it's so pretty. But we're going to be taking this gold color, and I'm just picking it up on the brush. And let's go ahead and see. So, of course, this is like your eye shape. So I'm going to go, Lord. So I'm going to go ahead and just place this on like the middle. I can already tell this isn't going to work. Okay, never mind, guys. I'm going to try not to have a negative opinion about it. I'm going to go with it with good thoughts. So I'm just placing this on the middle, and I want it to be pretty pigmented, so I'm just kind of layering that gold, tapping it on there. Now it does say on the directions, it says step 1, full for eyeshadow glitter on eyeshadow seal with plastic eyeshadow brush. That made no sense, but I did get what it was saying. And step 2, stain part of flicker powder in the corner, in the eye corner. The eyeshadow seal with flicker powder is printed directly in the eyeshadow that is the seal completes. I can't read that. That doesn't even make any sense. But I know kind of what it's saying. So I'm going to take this little brush, and I'm going to go into like the white shimmery color, and I'm going to be placing this like on the more inner corner part. I hope this works because this would be like really cool, but I doubt it will, so I'm just kind of going with the flow. I'm going to take the other side of the brush and go into like the bronzy color in the palette, and I'm going to place that between the gold and the shimmery color I got going on right there, making like a little ombre effect. And I did watch some videos on this, and yeah, they're just kind of, they did the same thing that I was doing, and I couldn't find any proper reviews on how to properly do this. There was no like, I don't know, there was no videos that like showed me how to fully do it. Okay, so, alright, looks like a candy corn, so that's the pattern I'm going for today. So I guess you're just supposed to place this on your eyelid. So that's what we're gonna do. And I don't know if you're supposed to like hold it there and like move it around, I know there's this little pump thing, but it doesn't do anything. So, okay. That did a lot. Wow. Look at that. I can't believe I spent $11 on this. I knew like this was not gonna work. I just knew it wasn't. I don't know why I bought it. Oh, whatever. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to wipe this off and we're gonna try a different way of doing it. Alright, so I brought this liquid eyeshadow, this Pure Cosmetics. It's like a little bottle. I believe it's called a Pure Cosmetics liquid eyeshadow. I don't know. So what I'm going to do is, because these do not dry really fast, I'm going to put this on there. So I'm just going to be layering this color on there, just how I would want it on my eyes, because these do not dry fast at all. So hopefully this would be working, because it'd be kind of cool. I feel like you would have to put like a heavy amount, so I am layering like a good heavy amount so it's nice and on there. Okay, so I have it looking like that. We're gonna try this again. I kind of wanted this to work good so I didn't have to redo my makeup when I go out today, but you know, life. Alright, so I'm just gonna place this on my eye again. I mean, it stamped it on there. It's just, oh god, fuck. The little thing just popped off. Okay, so I'm just going to take it in with my hand, since the little thing keeps popping off. I'm just going to go in with like another little layer on there. I mean, it's not too bad. I do feel like it's too big for my eye, so it is like above the crease area. I'd rather just hand put it on there because it's ugly, but okay. Alright, so we're just gonna ignore this eye. Oh my god, it's at the bottom of it. We're just gonna ignore that eye. So now I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I wanted to see how this would do for like a cut crease outline. So I'm just gonna be layering this on the eye part, and I'm gonna go with a brush and kind of like evenly spread it out, because Tarte Shape Tape is a really thick ass concealer. And alright, so damn it, I should have put it back on the little fucking thing. Yeah, it's not cool how it falls off, so even if it did work, it still like would fall off, and that would be annoying. Alright, so I'm just spreading it out with the brush so it's nice and concealed evenly. I'm going to go in with a little bit more just because I'm really trying to get this to work. Okay. I have hope for this. I feel like it is too large for my eye shape, so I don't know if they make other sizes, but I've only seen one. Alright, so I mean, that's not too bad. This thing is trying to pop off while I'm putting it on my eye. So I guess you can like, I can't see, I'm blind. I guess you can go back in with like the brush and like kind of evenly shape that. Okay, that's not too bad. I mean, that did a pretty good job. That's kind of like a nice cut crease. So I feel like it works good for like the cut crease style. Yeah, that's not too bad. That's kind of like a good cut crease. So I'm just gonna go ahead and like set it. I didn't bring like a setting color, so I'm just kind of going through and just putting this color on it. But I mean, that wasn't too hard to fix, so that kind of did a good job. Honestly, I might use that some more just to kind of see how it goes. Okay, so it did get on my eye down here as it did on this eye right here, so you could always just do your eyeshadow first before doing your face makeup, but I feel like, I mean, that's kind of a nice cut crease. I'm not gonna lie, that looks pretty damn good. With eyeshadows and like glittery colors, I would say don't do that. Don't even waste your time. You can just like put it on yourself. But like if you're wanting a nice cut crease, that's pretty good. It was pretty easy to shape up. All I had to do was kind of like sharpen it up a little bit, but that looks pretty good. Not gonna lie, guys, I kind of like it. I want to give it a more like another try. I don't have any eyes left to do it right now, but I do want to use it more like when I'm trying to do good makeup, because I feel like that's a better cut crease than I do on myself. So that's kind of cool. It does suck that this does pop out. It's kind of annoying that this does pop out, but I mean, whatever. Pretty sure it came from like China or something, so what do you expect? So this is the packaging, what it looks like. I did get on Amazon. I will link it down below if you want to like try it out. For eyeshadows, absolutely not, but this, I mean, that looks pretty good. So alright, so now I'm going to move on to the eyeliner stamp. This is the eyeliner stamp I got. It says Miss Rose on it, Rosé on it. So I got on Wish for $1, literally $1, guys. So I've already used the thicker one. I like put it on my hand and it was so pigmented. So like I feel like this one is too. So it has two sides. So this is like the regular eyeliner side, and then we have this one, which is the stamp. Obviously this does look used because like I said, my mom uses it and loves it. So I guess we're just gonna, I'm not even fucking with this eye because it looks ugly. So I'm gonna go onto this eye, and I'm pretty sure you're just supposed to like stamp it to your eye. So I'm getting closer to my mirror because I'm blind as fuck. So I'm just gonna line it up for the little wing area and just stamp it down. Okay, that doesn't look too bad, but it's not long enough, so I'm gonna, I feel like I'm gonna drag it out to see if I can get it like longer. I would like it to be a little thicker too. Oh no, honey, no. Okay, so it did that. Kind of my fault. It did look good like as a stamp, so I'm gonna go ahead and just stamp it onto my hand so you guys can see like the shape of it. So like that's a pretty prominent shape. Let's do it again. That's pretty like winged out. It is way too small for my eyes. Let me go ahead and just see how it looks again on this eye. Maybe if I stamp it out here first. I mean, okay, I kind of suck at the stamp. It's very pigmented. I wish it was a little bit longer though. So let's see how the brush side works. Okay, so this side is like really pigmented. They're both really pigmented. I suck at eyeliner. You guys already know that. But let's see.
This is our story. It's written on the wall of what you did, what I did.
Okay, so that is the winged eyeliner. Of course the stamp didn't give me that effect. It was way too small for my eye shape. If you have like really small eyes, this might be like your kind of style, or if you have like extremely hooded eyes. So my mom has like extremely hooded eyes. This looks so cute as like a little wing on her eyes. I like a very thick wing, but it did give me a nice like little shape to start out with to fix it with the other side. And it was very easy to use this product because, I mean, we're just gonna ignore this side, but because it's so pigmented, it's honestly like the most pigmented eyeliner, and I'm rubbing my hand on this and it's not coming off, which is kind of cool. So I don't know how hard it's gonna be to take off, but yeah, I mean, I really like this. I like this side a lot. I do wish it was thicker and like longer, so it did give you that like full cool shape, but this is kind of cool. If you're someone who struggles with winged eyeliner, it would be kind of cool, I feel like, to give you that shape just so you can kind of like know how to draw it out. But that is pigmented, so pigmented. Alright, so this was kind of a hard struggle review. So like, this little eyeshadow stamp, I feel like it sucks when you're using like eyeshadow, but if you're just kind of trying to like cut that crease, I mean, that looks good. Like that is a nice crease cut, so I really think it works very well with concealer. You do have to layer it on a lot, but that's okay. But yeah, that was kind of easy to use when you use concealer. This eyeliner, I have mixed opinions about this. I feel like the stamp sucks just because it's not big enough for my eyes, or maybe most of people's likings. I feel like a lot of people just like this really thick winged liner, but if you like the little tiny winged liner, this would be really good to get. Even if you didn't use the stamp, this side is still really, really good. It's so pigmented. It was so easy. It didn't like, it's not creasing. It didn't skip over. It looks really good. So I don't know, you get a win-lose with both of these products. So I don't know, $11, $1, up to you guys. I'm sure you could find this on Wish, to be honest, for probably $1. I would go look, guys. I shop from Wish all the time, and I'm really upset because I'm moving soon in 6 days, I believe, and I haven't been able to buy any Wish products in a good like 2 months because it takes like a month for the products to get here. So yeah, I'm very sad about that, but I'm almost moving, so I can buy more Wish products for you to test out for you guys. But this, I mean, this kind of did like a really good cut crease. I mean, I'm kind of liking it, and I'm really liking the other side of this eyeliner. Alright, so that is the end of this review. I don't know, guys, let me know if you like these products, if you thought they worked well. Do you think they would work well for you? Let me know in the comments down below. Yeah, so this was kind of a struggle review. Let me know if you'd like to see me review anything else specifically or anything else crazy, and I would love to do that. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.
Anymore.